Quick reading for February the 15th to February the 16th, Aquarius. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Eight of Wands, and the Ace of Pentacles. Nakakagulat, no? Meron tayong mga hindi inaasahan, probably hindi na natin din ina-expect or hindi natin inaasahan si person magre-reach out pa, hindi na natin inaasahan si person gusto pang ayusin itong relationship, si person na meron pa palang balak i-celebrate itong Valentine's Day, yes, gagawin. I think that meron pa ring regalo sa'yo. It might be a little late, pero sabihin natin last 2 minutes, no? Yung kanilang matatauhan, parang, oh shit, Valentine's pala, hindi ko naalala, no? And then all of a sudden, ito yung sasabihin ni person, uy, pasensya na dahil nakakaligtaan ko na Valentine's pala, no? I think that there's also an apology in here kung meron kayong disagreement, no? Or meron din dito mga bagay na talagang hiningi mo, winish mo, you probably demanded or requested for it. Well, this is yours, gagawin naman. This is your quick reading, Aquarius, for February the 15th to February the 16th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.